Hello, hello, hello. Hi guys. Ah. Well, firstly, I want to thank each one of you. Actually, वो thanks हम बाद में करेंगे. Lot of people have to thank. So the gratitude comes later. But सबसे पहले, it's a beautiful Sunday evening. I'm at home. Yesterday was my birthday. I got plenty of wishes. I think this year I've got the maximum number of cakes. So all of that comes later. But let me tell you first, this time, this live, today I have a surprise for all of you, and that's why I decided to go live with you all. It was very unplanned. It was a spontaneous decision, very impromptu. Usually my lives, I tend to announce a day or two prior. लेकिन इस बार मैंने सोचा कि कुछ अचानक करते हैं और आप लोगों के साथ मैं कुछ स्पेशल करना चाहता हूँ. So yes, thank you guys. You guys make me feel special each and every day. कल का दिन बहुत अच्छा था. मैं घर पर था. कुछ दोस्त आए अचानक, सरप्राइज विजिट दी उन्होंने मुझे. You know, just being home and cutting cakes. You know, just spending time with. Definitely, we have another very very special member in the family called Leonardo, who takes up most of my time. तो अच्छा लग रहा है, and I think it's really good that you know the way we connect every time, and this live particular is very very special, like I said, and we will make it very very special, hopefully, and you guys will love it. So well, the first surprise is that okay, the first surprise is here or here, this side. Okay. Okay, so the first surprise is, as you can see, I've just moved my chair and I have another chair. So that means we have Ripsi Bhatia Malhotra also joining us today. Especially, she just wants to thank all of you and she wants to be with all of you. And I think it's really, really sweet of her. So yeah, so she can come. And we have another surprise. Actually, we have two surprises. So let's go with the first one. So let's make way for Ripsi Bhatia Malhotra and this adorable ball of fur. That's Leonardo. Okay, guys, let us introduce you to Leonardo. Leo.
Hi.
He's a new member in the family. He's a little baby, and. Okay, yeah, he likes you guys too. So the idea was we both wanted to come and introduce you and give you this little baby of ours. So now you guys have to just love him, bless him, pray for him that he stays healthy, he grows. It doesn't grow too fast. We loving the way he's right now, and I think these puppy days is what I think we really love.
Enjoying it so much.
Yeah, we're really enjoying it, and I think it's unconditional love. It's unconditional. Just you know, those cuddles and those little kisses and those little licks is what we are loving right now. So yeah, so I think that's Leo for you. We literally eat him up all day.
Yes.
Yeah. So yes, so this is from the White House. This is the little white Leo. Yeah, and so yeah, so the time for the second surprise. Do you wanna put him down?
Yes,
okay, fine. I'll hold him right here.
Yeah.
And now Ripsy's gonna get another surprise for us. Okay, now any guesses? What's the second surprise? Let me see how smart you guys are. You guys appear to be smart. You guys seem to be very intelligent. But let me see. Okay, let me just see if you guys can guess what that is. Okay, so we have these beautiful candles right here. Okay, any guesses? Any guesses? Any guesses? Any guesses?
To make space.
Okay. Come on, guys. Guess. Let me see. What do you guys have? Okay, I love you too. I've never done this. Let me tell you, I've never done this all these years of my life, and I just felt that Leo and Ripsy and myself, we just thought that so much love you guys give every year, but this year you guys have made it so crazy in a very very special way, in a very very happy way, in a very loving way. that we want to just give it back to you. And I just thought, let me just do this, and I just want to share this moment with all you beautiful people all across the globe. You know, international, in the country, everywhere, and so does Leo. Leo says hello, what's up, people? And so he's a little shy at the moment. Usually he's not. He's like a little hurricane at home, but he's behaving himself. Not bad. So yeah, you guys give me so much of love. You guys give me, Ripsy, all of us so much of love. My whole family gets so much love from all you people, and I think it's time we start giving back, you guys. I've always tried, you know, through my work, through my craft, but today we just felt that it's something which we need to just share this moment, this very special moment with you. And well, hopefully, I think some of you have guessed it. This moment I will definitely cherish for a really long time, and hope that we have many more moments like this. So yeah, so guys, it's time for us to. Any guesses? Last minute guesses? Any last minute guesses? Okay, there she comes. There she comes. I'm sorry, time is up. Time is up. Time is up. Time is up. And we have the cake. I think few people did guess it right.
I think we need to.
And I'm sure few of you can just see the strawberry, and Leo's already started eyeing at the cake. No, you cannot have it. So we can see the strawberries, we can see the blueberries, we can see the kiwi, and we can see the yummy cake. Courtesy Ivania. Thank you guys. This is amazing, and like I was saying, you know, this year I've got the maximum number of cakes. You know, I kept getting those cakes home, and I think Ripsy kept counting them. And today we thought that, like I said, you know, we need to share this moment with all of you and just make it more special. So okay, so you can hold him right there.
Hold him.
And let us quickly. Okay, who's gonna sing happy birthday? Chalo, let's see. I want all of you guys to sing wherever you are, home.
Should we just rise it in the
Do you want me to give a little more height to it?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I
we
get
can-
some books. That's
No, I think when you get the height, they won't be able to see us.
it. Okay.
Yeah. So let me just push this little back. One sec. Yeah.
That will be better.
Better.
Much better. Much better. Much better.
Okay. Chalo. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see, you can come in a bit so we can see you. Okay, how many of you gonna sing that song? Chalo, 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 chalo. I can see lots of people, lots of happy birthdays popping up. Okay, ready? Let's go.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Am I the only one who's gonna sing?
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday
dear
to.
Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now the first piece definitely is for all you guys out there.
Yes.
This is what we decided. So the first piece goes right there to all you people out there. You can have a nice. It's not a very big piece, but yeah, it's for all of you people out there. Enjoy. It looks yum. I'm sure it tastes yum too. So now that's for you, not for Leo. He's not allowed to have. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, this is yum. Thank you, Vanya. You guys make amazing cakes. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for the lovely wishes, all the beautiful gifts, and we have this beautiful little center. I can't recall the name. But
Oh yeah, we have this amazing. So you know, we've been getting these amazing gifts from all over the place, all over the globe.
I think.
And
we need to
I think we need to
charge
charge
it
this, but this is a beautiful. This is like a moon, or what is it? Like customized.
moonlight.
So they've got this customized. It's ripped out here. So when you go charge this, it lights up, and so it's very pretty. It was.
And our picture is embossed.
Yeah, it's embossed right there in the center, if you can see. So thank you guys. Thank you for these little cute gifts. We really appreciate. But yeah, please, I do not encourage you guys spending money.
And
Please save your
we'll
money.
be
I will say
posting
that.
our moments together. How we
Yeah.
brought in his birthday.
We have like a series of pictures and videos coming in very soon. Lots of them. Pre-birthday celebration on set. My entire cast, my director, Surbhi, Ranjanji, Punky, everybody. You know, it was Mehak, Dehak, whole cast, beautiful cast. The technicians, the lightmen, my DOP, Ravi sir, everybody, all the ADs and all the production guys. So it was a beautiful pre-birthday celebration which we had on set, which I again happened to cut so many cakes on set. And then when I got home, there was another beautiful surprise planned by her and him. So which also we'll be posting soon. And then obviously the next day when you gave me the little surprise which I had my tea. What was that? My birthday tea in bed.
You do that for me every
Yeah. So that was an amazing surprise too. And then obviously the entire day, a lot of surprises coming in. People dropping in, some amazing friends. Just swinging by and wishing me. And the idea was they want to come and see him, but that's okay.
No. So it was basically his birthday and his birthday.
Yeah.
Together.
So we had an amazing day, and then obviously some friends again. Surprise visits happened last night.
Thank you for sending so much of love for Leo.
Thank you.
And
He needs a lot of blessings. He needs a lot of love. He needs a
yes.
lot of prayers. Just this. Now he's yours. Just take good care of him, and you can see that he wants to have that cake. No, you cannot have it. No, you. Oh, you're trying to have the cake from
your mouth.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what he did.
We get that all day. So yeah. So thank you guys. Lots of love. That's
You want to
us.
share your little changes that you're experiencing with him these days?
Yes,
Please tell
I
us.
think the massive change that I've experienced is I do not get my sleep. I'm sleep deprived, but which is also amazing. I think it's those little moments.
He's like a little baby.
yeah.
No, he is a little
He is a baby. He's just 52 days old.
Yes,
and he is a little baby with a little tummy. As you can see, as you cannot see, it's okay. But I think he's super pampered by her, and it's just that. Just the feeling of having him home and having him around, it's so special.
So last few days, I think this is 10th day with us, and last few days we've both been on our toes, cleaning up after him, making him sleep, trying to make him sleep actually. And he wakes us up at sometimes 6 in the morning, 7
It's
in the
very
morning.
random. It's very random.
Very random.
4, 5, 6, 7,
He's
8.
still trying to figure
He's
out
the boss
his
of the
routine.
house.
Yes,
also.
yes, he's the boss.
He's the boss of the house. So yeah. So till now it was me. Actually, till now it was her.
I
so
didn't
till
say anything.
she didn't give me a look. No, I'm just kidding. I think it's just that right now he's the boss of the house, and I think it's great. And
He's drooling over us.
yeah. So I think he's just
And we are
ruling
happy,
our
very
hearts.
happy with it. Very happy with it.
Yeah, so I think like Rupsi said, these little changes that we have right now, the times when you get up, we barely slept, and then we get up and we have to clean his.
He jumps into our bed and he wants to play with us when we are so sleepy. And I don't know, he's just teaching us so many new things. And
Yeah. Absolutely. I
Yeah.
think those little moments that we'll probably cherish for a lifetime. And you can see the a massive balloon that you see behind me.
And our house is literally filled
Filled with
with
balloons.
so many of these right now.
Thank you. Curtsy, groom, balloon. You guys rock, man. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
Himanshu.
No, it's Madhu. The balloons. It's
No, the cupcakes and
no, yeah. The balloons, obviously, Curtsy. As you can see, it's groom balloons. But this has been sent, I think, from Madhurima, another beautiful fan. She sent all these beautiful balloons and the cupcakes.
we'll be posting pictures. We
We have a lot of boomerangs, a lot of interesting stuff that we'll be posting soon. And
But thank you so much for making his day special. I mean, I think they started in December itself,
yeah, early December.
early December, and I mean, this is my second year.
Yeah, I think she was a little shocked, because she wasn't.
Third,
I mean, she
third
was
year,
expecting
third,
obviously cakes
third.
to come in. She was expecting a lot of people wishing and a lot of DMs,
But
a lot
I
of
have
mails. But
absolutely no space in my fridge right now.
yeah, I think
I
this,
need to
like
check that.
like I said, yeah, please. Like I said, this year the number of cakes that have actually come in they've been crazy. I think I've nearly cut about 27 cakes. So yeah, it feels great. It feels so special. Feels blessed and feels absolutely the chosen one. And I love you people. I love all you people out there. Mwah! That's my heart for all you guys out there. all my cast, Surabhi, Ranjanji, everybody. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. You know that, right? Chandu, I love you. Yesha also happened to swing by yesterday. Thank you so much for the surprise, for that cake with the hammer, all of that. And I think it's just been so overwhelming, seeing all you people post and all the stories and all the tags and all the DMs and all the mails. It's been absolutely one hell of a day, and too much for me to actually take in and I think just absorb. So thank you so much, and you guys always make me feel special. I wish I could just do like 10% of what you guys do, and this is our way of kind of giving it back to you. So lots of love, lots of gratitude from him as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, he says thank you. That's his way of saying thank you. So keep loving and keep watching Nagin 5, keep watching Viranshu, keep chilling, and do you want to say something? And just
pretty much everything.
Yeah, I think the best part about Ripsy is that the way she connects with you people is also very, very special. I know it's not as direct as I do, but then she has her own distinct way of connecting with her people. So I think when she's here right now sitting, that means she's connected with all of you people, and I think you guys make her feel so special too. And you guys, the kind of what should I say? You guys are so adorable. All the comments and all the attention that you give us, and all the nice things you guys say, and all the kind words you guys have for us. I think it's just great, and at times we just tend to, the reason why I'm actually, because there's so much inside me right now which I just want to like get out and get over with it, because I feel so blessed and I feel so good right now. The last week, 2 weeks have been absolutely, it's been one amazing roller coaster ride where, like I was saying, Ripsy receiving also messages on my behalf, and she used to tell me like every day,
So I might not be great at replying and checking, like my DMs regularly, but I try my best to convey all the messages.
करेक्ट. सो थैंक यू सो मच यार, आप लोगों ने बहुत प्यार दिया है मुझे, और हमेशा मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं आप लोगों को उतना ही प्यार वापस दूँ. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार है, सो मैं कोशिश करूँगा पूरी लाइफ टाइम में थोड़ा प्यार देते रहूँ. एंड लियो भी कोशिश करेगा और रिप्सी भी कोशिश करेगी, हम सब कोशिश करेंगे थ्रू माई क्राफ्ट, थ्रू माई वर्क, थ्रू माई बॉडी वर्क, जो भी है, थ्रू माई कैरेक्टर्स. मैं कोशिश करूँगा आप लोगों को मैं एंटरटेन करूँ और खुश रखूँ, और आप लोग हमेशा चेहरे पे आप लोगों की मुस्कान बरकरार रहे.
Do you realize how behaved he is?
Yeah, so he's actually he's very well behaved.
He's a ball of energy, and right now I think he's taking it after you.
Okay,
camera
maybe,
friendly.
Maybe I don't
very
know. If
camera friendly.
Yeah, I think he's just liking all the attention right now. He gets a lot of attention. घर पे पूरे दिन इसको बहुत attention मिलती है. जो भी आता है, everyone wants to just cuddle him, hold him, kiss him, eat him up. I know. In fact, Surabhi had called me. This was yesterday. No, this was the day before yesterday. And she called up in the middle of the night and she said, "I want to eat him up. Show me where is Leo." And I think both of us were like, she just went absolutely. It was all hearts from her side, and I think so. Those moments, and you have your people just lapping him up and loving him so much, and just feels really good. He's enjoying a lot of the girls' attention. That's for sure. Gone after the daddy.
Yes, for sure.
So thank you guys, lots of love, and we wrap up this session and see you guys again very soon. Now some quickly, I want to take some names. Like every time
I can't see anything, so I'm just going to.
It's a ritual. No, I'll just remove this cake so you can also quickly take some names.
Okay.
Manoj, isko le lijiye. So we quickly take some names. Okay, there is just quickly.
Vani, Ishika, SM, Sharadaholic, Renu, Sharad Malhotra, Jessica.
Okay. I also want to mention about the tweet which happened.
Oh yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you for reminding me. My fan club, you guys are amazing. Love you guys. About the tweet which happened, about the massive tweet which happened. I think some 67,000 tweets which happened yesterday, and I think that was all you people coming together. Accumulating and in totality, it's so much of love pouring in. Through social media and everywhere, and I think 67,000 odd tweets. I think it's pretty amazing for a single day and for a birthday. So thank you guys. Thank you every person. Thank you. Thank you.
Minakshi, Puneet,
The whole fan club. Thank you SM Army.
Sonu, Sayani,
Narmada Pandey. Okay. Rev. Mishtiku. Okay. Hello.
Okay, now I think.
Okay, he's getting a little restless now.
Yes.
So
Okay, I'm going to quickly say bye. Thank you so much.
we'll
we'll
the
catch
both
up.
of us,
Yes.
the three of us, we'll catch you guys again very soon. But I'll quickly say my bye to you also. But I'll take a few names before that.
Yes,
Yeah.
please. Okay, I'm
So,
just going to take him.
Okay, I'll see you. Chalo, bye. Okay, great. So guys, quickly, okay, lots of love coming from Ripsy ma'am. Ripsy ma'am saying thank you, and she'll see you guys very soon. Ariba, thank you. Natash Noor, thank you so much. Thank you guys, thank you so much. So many names popping in right now. It's a little difficult, but I will definitely try and revert back and reply as much as I can. So lots of love. Again, I keep saying that. Lots of love. Just keep that love coming in, and I'm gonna love you back. Okay. So everybody, all my friends, my family, my cousins, my staff, work day in day out. Working 24/7. Just to. They do so much. There's so much gratitude for all of them. They made my day so special also. And everybody, the entire my entire world. Every person just got together, and everyone came together and made it so special. So thank you so much, and catch you guys soon. And love you guys. Be good, stay safe, and just be good. Yeah. I will see you guys very soon. Adios. Bye.
Enjoy it.